I bought this Volvo V70 for $1,500 and my goal is to fix it up to be a reliable daily driver. One of the main reasons this car was so cheap was this smashed-in door from an at-fault accident. The previous owner chose not to fix it, so he sold the vehicle as is. At first the damage looks really bad, but after I popped the door open from the inside and inspected the door frame, everything looked pretty solid. Because passion red is such a rare color for these Volvo V70s, I gave up on trying to find a color matched door. My goal was to at least have a door that worked so that I could paint match at a later time. I had this mismatched blue door installed for about a month and a half, but then as I was looking for other parts for this car, I happened across my car's twin at the junkyard. I found another 2001 Volvo V70 at the junkyard, however this one was an automatic. With the door in good condition, I snagged it from this car and brought it home. The process of taking these doors off isn't too difficult, it's just 3 bolts and a wiring harness. The connector for the wiring harness is pretty far inside the door, so you have to pull it out quite a bit. With everything unbolted, the next step is to pull the door off the hinges. Installing the new door is pretty simple with the exception of getting the holes to line up for the hinges. With the hinges lined up, it's time to start bolting everything together. With everything bolted together, it's time to give it a test shut. Here I noticed that everything was shutting a little bit lower, so I had to go back and readjust the door. I loosened up the bolts, I got underneath the door and tilted it while I tightened everything up so that it would shut better. With everything tightened up, I gave it another test shut and well bam, second try, it did perfect. Ta-da! The window even works too. With the new door on, the car no longer looks like Frankenstein and I'm so much happier. Also, if you have a blue Volvo and you need a door, let me know.